Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading media on your Android or iOS. So for this, first of all, you just have to open your WhatsApp application in your mobile. Make sure you are on the home page where all the chats are displayed. Click on these three dots in the top right and select settings. Now tap on this storage and data and you will get these three options in the last when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi and when roaming. Get one each of them and disable downloads by unchecking all the four options like this, that is images, audio, video and documents. Automatic media download will be disabled, though you can still view the content by individually downloading them. But WhatsApp saves all these media in a folder which is visible to anyone who opens your phone gallery app. So what to do next? Well, there is a way to hide these photos in the gallery app as well. And what you have to do is you just have to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and then simply search for this quick pick, tap on it and install this application into your mobile. After installing, just locate the WhatsApp images folder like WhatsApp video, images, audio, etc. And then you can simply hide those photos, videos or everything with the help of this app. Your content will be secure and you can handle your phone to anyone without worrying. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading media on Android or iOS. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.